guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can view pages side by side in Canva. So as you can see, we are in Canva and we have got our two designs here. So there are a couple of ways that you can do this. So one way is you can come down to the bottom right hand corner, and as you can see you've got this grid view option. So you can give that a click and then you can see that they are side by side with each other. The other way is to come down to the bottom, and as you can see here, you've got this page, you've got page 1 of 2, and we've got this button here. So if you hold this button and drag it out, you can then see that you've got your two designs on top of each other. So you can really see if they're looking symmetrical. And then the third and final way is to have a ruler. So what you can do is if you click on your first image, that's it. What we'll do is just bring that in a little bit. If you come up to File, if you press Settings, and then if you say Show Rulers and Guides, and then if you're wanting to see where this orange bar begins, if you hold down your ruler and then come down, you can see that it starts at 252. If we then scroll down to our second image, and then if we bring our ruler down, you can see that it also starts at 252. So that could just be another way to make sure that things are symmetrical on both images. And that's it. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.